Hi everyone, this is your daily weather hazard briefing from the National Weather Service office here in Pocatello, Idaho for Tuesday, April 23rd. We're going to start warming things up again as we get into this afternoon, then it continues into tomorrow. A few light showers here and there this afternoon, mainly farther down south, but we will see that activity increasing a bit more than as we go through the second half of this week. So that actually covers a good chunk of our key points this morning. Again, that warming trend will begin again this afternoon, continue tomorrow. Slight chance for a few showers. We'll show that here in a few graphics. More showers and some thunderstorms, basically Wednesday afternoon, on and off, basically through the weekend. But temperatures are going to start to drop a bit after we get through Wednesday afternoon. So keep that in mind. If you have any outdoor plans in the second half of the week, it'll be a little bit cooler and a little bit more rainy and stormy at times. Alright, so here is a look at satellite early this morning across the Pacific Northwest. We've got a few clouds across Idaho this morning, but notice kind of a band of moisture that's going to be moving up north out of parts of Nevada and Utah. That low that's kind of just sitting off the coast of California, that is helping to drive some of that moisture up our way. And that'll continue tomorrow too. So here's our weather risk outlook grid for you, showing mainly a chance for some showers in parts of the southern hills, southeastern highlands. Could reach up towards the Burley area, a little bit less confidence in that. A lot of the rest of us will stay pretty dry throughout the day today though. As we get into, again, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and even into Saturday, you'll notice a chance for a few showers and storms for pretty much everyone for the next several days. So we are going to get a little bit more active there with our weather pattern. That doesn't mean it's going to rain and storm the entire time. There will be some dry periods throughout, but just something to keep in mind. Our river levels, not a whole lot of change in these two gauges on the Portneuf River at Pocatello and at the Topaz gauge there. The forecast, you'll notice, has come down a little bit for the Portneuf River at Pocatello here into the late week, early weekend. It was getting closer to the major stage in earlier runs of the forecast, but has come down by a good chunk actually. In part, it's because a lot of that is very dependent on QPF or how much rain we actually get out of these showers and storms. And given that we will see showers and storms, it's going to be a little bit more spotty, which is hard to forecast really well this far out. So that's kind of, again, what we're going to be keeping an eye on as we go through the next several days here. High temperatures today, most of us are going to warm up a couple degrees compared to yesterday, about 5 degrees comparatively, really. A lot of us in the Snake Plain and Magic Valley will be in the mid and upper 60s. Here's one look at, one model's take on how some showers will play out this afternoon. The chance for thunder with any of these showers is fairly low, probably about a less than 10% chance. Now, would be totally shocked to hear a rumble of thunder here and there? No, not completely, but again, it's a pretty low chance. Most of this staying pretty far south towards the Idaho-Utah state line there. Those of us a little bit farther north pretty much stay dry throughout the day today. As we get into Wednesday, notice temperatures in the morning start in the upper 30s, near 40s, and then in the afternoon we warm up about another 5 degrees, with a lot of us pushing back into the low 70s for afternoon highs. Wind's not too much of an issue for us today or tomorrow, really. About 15 to 20 mile per hour gusts here and there. As we get into Wednesday, you'll notice a few more showers and thunderstorms. Again, still not for everyone, but a bit more widespread comparatively to today. So that'll be a change. And then you can see here, though, that not a ton of moisture expected out of these. For most of us, maybe 0.05 to 1/10 of an inch or so. If you get under one of those storms, then of course that could be a little bit higher. On Thursday, we'll start to drop a little bit in those temperatures. Still fairly warm-ish for the morning. A lot of us starting the day in the mid and upper 40s. But temperature's not going to move a ton throughout the day. Highs will generally be in the 60s. It'll get a little bit breezier on Thursday too, behind kind of that cold front that comes through on Wednesday, with those gusts on Thursday closer to about 25, 30, 35 miles per hour for some of us. So that's kind of a look at your next couple days here. Again, the warming trend for today and tomorrow. Slight chance for some showers this afternoon, mainly for those of us kind of south of I-84. More showers and some thunderstorms Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Temperatures will be dropping, though, after we get to Wednesday afternoon. We'll be in the 70s, and then by Thursday, more so 60s. So that gradual cooling trend will then be underway. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, you can always give us a phone call, send us an email. You can find the latest weather information online, or if you want to connect with us on social media, that's another great way to get a hold of us. Have a great day.